Hello, namaste to firstly to all my viewers who are watching our channel, and today we will speak about our personality, how it's inside and outside. And for telling it, we are taking one very good example of pencils. Pencils give us a very inspiring lesson to applied in our lives. The first instructions that the pencil maker gave the pencil, what's the truly important actually lies within you. Pencil has two aspects to it: the outside, which is its beautiful strong color wooden casing, and the inside, which is lead. It is a very substance and purpose. Similarly, in our lives as well, we have the outside, and outside is about our personality, about our looks, our presence. And as I always say, that no one looks as very beautiful like a Facebook profile or a social media profile, and no one looks very ugly like a picture in a driver's license or passport. So the outside is about our personality, and the inside is about being a genuine, sincere person. The outside is about charisma, about our style, about our presentation, how we speak, our confidence, our mannerism, that the hold these qualities. And the inside is our character, our morals, our integrity, the principle that we hold sacred in our lives. The outside is about valuables. In the world today, we are accepted more for what we have than who we are. We are accepted what we wear than for who we are. We are accepted more for what we drive than who we are. We are accepted what we eat than what we should to eat. We are accepted what we should to learn, but what we learning. So it's totally change. We are accepted more today for where we live than who we are. Valuable seems to be crucial and overly emphasized in the modern society. The outside is about valuables. The inside is our values. My friend, while we focus on the outside, we should not to forget that the inside, that's a great need to find that right balance. We live in the real world, so outside is the important, but our focus on the outside should never be at the cost of our inner world. Material education teach us how to develop our outside, our external, all our skills, our talents, which can buy us all the valuables to live in the world of reality. So outside material education, we can get what we want, but spiritual education teaches us how to focus inside our inside world. And therefore there is such a great need to find balance between our personality and being a genuine person, between our charisma and our character, between our valuables and values. And yes, the first instruction what we have started, that outside pencils it looks colorful, fancy, but if inside the lead, if it will be weak, so pencil it will useless, no one can use the pencil. Same with our personality, with our life. What we are looking outside, that is not important. If we are looking a very fancy, very expensive jewelry we have, very expensive clothes we have, but if inside we have no value of life, no responsibility, not good behave, not anything in positive, then outside valuables it will be zero. So firstly increase your inside, and how inside will come? By spirituality, by your family lessons, by the responsibility of nature, of society, of country and the world. So if you will have this, it will come automatically outside. I hope that you all have enjoyed it. If you have liked it, please click the like button, please share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, because when you guys subscribe it gives us confidence to make more videos. Thank you for watching it, and keep in touch. Thank you.